How to add discount code on Shopify checkout. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Shopify and after that click on this option of discount at the left hand side panel, and over here just click on this option of create discount. And here you can find different ways to discount your product. Just simply select the way like amount of discounts. Just select this option of amount of products and wait for it to load. Here you can type the discount code that you want to generate for your customers that who can put this discount code and get the discount. Just simply click on generate discount random code, or you can also type your own code if you want to. And after that select the percentage of value of discount that you want to give out. Like if you want to give out in a fixed amount, then just simply select the fixed amount. Otherwise you can also go with the percentage. Like if someone is purchasing something, you can give out 1% of the discount. And if you want to give out for a specific collection or product, just simply select it from here. And also you can browse the collection of your store for which you want to give out the discount code. Suppose you want to give out for a specific product, simply select the specific product over here, then browse the product in your store for which you want to give the discount, and after that just select that particular product. After that, in the next section it will ask you that how much the minimum requirement for the purchase has to be in order to give out this discount. So you can select whether there is no minimum requirement or the minimum purchase amount is there. Then just simply select this one and mention the purchase amount for which you want to give out the discount. Suppose you want to give out the discount for people buying at least 3 items, then just give out this 3 number over here, and whenever someone purchases the quantity of 3 items for this particular product, then they would be able to apply for this coupon code and get the discount. After that, in the next section it will ask you to provide customer eligibility. Over here you can select a specific segment of your customers if you want to, and you can also apply this particular coupon code for all the people out there. Just select it accordingly, according to your needs and requirements and according to your business strategies. And also it will ask you maximum discount uses, and here you can put a limit on this particular discount. Like if you want one person to get this discount just once, then select this one. Otherwise, if you want this particular limit to be put on people or number of times this coupon code can be used, then just simply select this one. You can also select both of these if you want to. So suppose you want to give out this particular discount to 1000 customers, simply type 1000 over here, and after the 1000 people are able to achieve this particular coupon code discount, then there will be no discount after that. So this is how it will be. Now you can also select whether this particular discount would be given in combinations or not. You can give it out in combination with the product discount, order discount, or shipping discount. Just select it appropriately according to your needs and requirements. And you can also select the active dates between which this particular discount code will be available to your customers. Just specify that particular time period over here, and after that you just have to click on this option of save discount in order to save it up and give your customers the joy of discount. And this is how you put the discount code on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.